Hey there! Did you know that hummingbirds are not just any ordinary birds? These tiny creatures are known for their amazing abilities and fun facts that will blow your mind. Hummingbirds have an incredible sense of smell. Despite having a small brain, they can remember the location of every flower they've visited and can detect the scent of their favorite flowers from miles away. Hummingbirds can fly backward. That's right. They are the only bird species that can hover and fly backward, thanks to their unique wing structure. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can flap their wings in a figure-8 pattern. Well, there you have it. These tiny birds are full of surprises.